we'll introduce some more special types of credit used under certain circumstances. Revolving LC is a credit whose amount can be renewed or reinstated without specific amendments to the documentary credit. This type of credit may be revocable or irrevocable and will revolve in relation to time and value. For example, a credit is initially available for up to $15,000 per month during a fixed period of time, say 6 months. The documentary credit is automatically available for $15,000 each month, irrespective of whether any sum was drawn during the previous month. This is a credit revolving in relation to time. In case of credit revolving in relation to value, the amount is reinstated utilization within a given overall period of validity. The documentary credit may provide for automatic reinstatement immediately upon presentation of the specified document, or it may provide for reinstatement only after receipt by the issuing bank of these documents or other stated conditions. This credit applies to partial shipments in long-term contract. The second type of credit is a reciprocal credit, which is usually connected with a barter transaction. It is in all aspects similar to an ordinary commercial credit, except that the applicant of the original credit may assume the position of the beneficiary in the reciprocal credit, while the beneficiary of the original credit may become the applicant in the reciprocal credit. The amounts under the two credits will be roughly the same. The third type is anticipatory credit. Anticipatory credit, also called Red Clause credit. It's credit with a special clause that authorizes the confirming bank or any other nominated bank to make advances to the beneficiary before presentation of documents. The special clause was originally written in red ink to draw attention. It is also called Red Clause credit. Such type of credit is a kind of pre-shipment financing intended to assist the exporter in the production or procurement of the goods sold. The special clause widely used in the anticipatory credit is as the following. The negotiating bank is hereby authorized to make advance to the beneficiary up to an aggregate amount of $200,000. The advances with the interest at the ruling rate of exchange at the time of payment of such advance are to be deduced from the proceeds of the credits drawn under the credit. Or such sentence can also be used. For example, we hereby authorize you to make such advances, which are to be repaid with interest from the payment to be made under the credit. The last one is a usance letter of credit payable at sight, also called spurious credit. This credit is a usance credit issued by the issuing bank, which undertakes to pay the beneficiary at sight, provided the required documents are submitted and the terms of the credit are complied with. While the applicant makes reimbursement to the issuing bank when the tenor of the draft is due. Therefore, this credit is a condo finance offered by the issuing bank to the applicant, and the interest thereof is normally borne by the applicant. The clause used to determine a usance credit payable at sight is as the following. The usance draft are payable on sight. We are authorized to pay the face amount of your draft upon presentation, and discount charge is for account of the applicant. That's all for letter of credit.